Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to introduce you to these two new LGR refrigerant dehumidifier units from Ecor Pro. This dehumidifier comes with a range of power cords. So at the moment, it's fitted with the UK specification, but that could easily be changed for a European connection because it's a simple plug connector to the machine. And once fitted, this plug is then sealed against the machine and it's locked, so it can't be accidentally pulled out. When we're looking at the water pumping out, our pipe is 12.5 meters long, so it's capable of reaching most sinks, drains, bath wastes in most properties. It's very rare that this machine would ever work more than 12.5 meters away from a point where it could discharge to. Height-wise, the pressure in the pump is quite capable of pumping water up to 3.5 meters, which would allow us to pump out from a basement into a toilet or sink on a first floor. So to keep this machine neat and tidy, both the pipe and the cables can be secured to these two securing straps and hang by the side of the machine. That way we've got it complete, ready to go.